Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying the physical basics so you can fix the edge issue quickly. First, make sure your Airtel SIM is active and seated correctly. Poor contact can force edge. Once done, set network mode to 4G or 3G in mobile networks because automatic choices sometimes revert to 2G. Then restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh registration. These steps re-establish connection without waiting for carrier intervention. Next, you perform a targeted network refresh to resolve persistent edge. Manually search available networks and select Airtel rather than using automatic selection. This forces a fresh attach. After that, reset your APN to Airtel default values and verify preferred network types include 3G/4G. Wrong APN or 2G-only preference causes edge. Make sure to install carrier profile updates and the latest OS patches because firmware mismatches can. To finish, you validate whether the issue is device or network. Put your Airtel SIM into a second handset. If it works there, focus on your phone settings or modem firmware. If it still shows edge, call Airtel support to check BTS outages, EMA blocks, or provisioning errors. Ask them to force a reprovision. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset to clear deep configuration faults. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, swapping SIMs isolates carrier versus hardware quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.